play place yata nga talaga to. Pero hindi ko alam, ang laki. Kasi pagpasok mo mula sa labas, napakataas na building. So, ano yung buong building? Play place. Dito kami sa subway ngayon sa Nippon Bashi. And may pupuntahan kaming... Ano pupuntahan natin?
I don't know.
Si Marcos.
Play
Place sa
And I'm gonna swim in
Ogimachi.
there.
Oh,
I can
Ogimachi.
swim there.
Wala yatang swimming doon.
There is.
Sino may nasa likod mo? Basahin mo. Say it here.
Kintetsu.
Yeah, Marcos, ba't mo ako hinihigaan?
You're gonna go inside the bubble and then you're gonna stay there forever.
Ah, may ganun ba? O sige,
Yeah,
tingnan
then
natin
you're
dito.
gonna eat the bubble and then you'll get poisoned.
Nasaman sa yung cheeks ko dito, kakakain ng maalat.
Hello!
Dumating na kami sa Ogimachi and malapit na kami dun sa play place na pupuntahan ng mga bata. But there are lots of bikes, so be careful.
Saan tayo papunta? Kids Plaza.
Baka mapunta dun.
Okay. Doon na kami sa Kids Plaza.
Bumibili siyang ticket para sa subway. Sinong gustong ma-practice yung kanilang rock climbing skills? Tan ta ta tan ta ta tan ta ta tan. Oh, ingat ka dyan, baka humampas yung face mo dyan sa rock.
Keep your head. Dikit ka dun sa wall para walang ano.
Marcos, sabi ka muna dyan.
Yan, dikit sa wall.
Okay. Hold the rope. Hold the rope. Hold the rope.
Ayoko na.
Dali lang yan eh.
Kanina nga nagawa ko.
Daming tries doon ako. Tila mo.
Wow!
Oh, battle tayo. Battle. 3, 2, 1, go.
How did you do that?
Ayun, wag mo. Baba mo lang. Yan. And now, this is the Megalomania. Can you borrow that? Wow. Wow! Arigato. Thank you. Very nice. Hindi ko lang tawag dito. Pero, pag didikit mo siya dito sa mga butas, dito sa mga countries na to, sabihin niya kung anong bansa, and then yung hello nila. Katulad nito, Japan. Hindi ko naiintindihan.
I'll show you something. This is right here.
Ang sabi?
I don't understand. Singapore.
Yeah, unfortunately, wala yung Singapore din eh. So far, ang saya dito Nag-i-enjoy ako. Kanina may drums, mayroon pang capoeira lessons.
This is
Capoeira.
This is a funny game.
Yeah.
It's mommy! My name is Raymond.
And I am Angel.
We are in Kids Plaza, Osaka, Japan, and I would like to interview our guests. Hello guys, please tell us your names.
Lucas. Marcos.
May I ask your age, Marcos? And you? How old are you?
And now, I want to know what is your favorite food, Lucas?
Oh, noodles.
Noodles. How about you?
Ramen.
Ramen.
Okay. And what is your favorite animal, Marcos?
Lion.
Wow.
And you?
Well,
Okay, thank you. That's all from here. See you again. Bye. Saya dito. Oh, ano to? X-ray?
X-ray!
What? Oh, that's your heart.
why is it breathing like that? But I'm not breathing.
It's pumping. Ano kayo, mailman? Nag-deliver ng mail. What's next?
The food shop was there in there's no mail.
I think it's there, oh.
But there is no mail.
Go, find it. That's your mission. Oh, see? Told you. Okay. Good job. High five. High five, Marcos. Good job.
Hello, tapos na kami sa Kids Plaza.
Ang saya-saya niya.
Oo,
Maski ako
masaya siya.
nag-enjoy.
Hindi siya sobrang nakakapagod for adults.
Saka yung mga activities niya, hindi lang yung laro-larong bata. Kasi may
Oo.
matututunan sila.
Oo, parang
Kaya,
mga chemistry,
Thumbs up,
physics.
Kids Plaza, Osaka. Hi!
Did you enjoy?
What
You
did
enjoy?
you learn there?
What did you learn? Di ba ano ba ginawa mo? Nag-grocery ka,
The parts
nag-post
of the body.
office. What else did you learn?
The Ronin style.
Ano yung Ronin
Ano
style?
yung Ronin style? Oh, what else? Ikaw, anong natutunan mo?
Happiness.
Happiness? Wow!
Happiness.
Ay, ay naku.
Hi, Angel. Hi, Lucas. Nasaan tayo?
Sa Moe's Burger.
It's lunchtime.
Show your face.
Kumakain na si Marcus. So, Moe's cheeseburger, double cheeseburger, hot dog,
Wow.
spicy dog, chicken, onion rings. Na-try ko na yung sa Manila eh. So gusto ko, curious lang ako kung...
Manila nito?
Oo, curious lang ako kung ano meron, kung ano yung difference dito. Good, no?
It's like
Oh, baka mabusog ka na yan. Ano to?
it's like Sunday. It's not yours.
It's mine.
No, that is mine. Yeah. I said unlock.
Bukas we'll try his burger. How is it?
Yan, masarap yan. Dahil maalat siya.
Dami ka kayo nun. Isa kami yung hotdog. Isa pa kami burger.
Yeah. Ngayon lang naman eh. Ngayon lang naman, no? Yeah, malapit na kami dito sa Denden Town. Pero along the way, may nakita kaming retro games shop. Imaginations! Dito tayo. Wow! What's this?
Oh yeah.
Sobrang lupit dito. Okay, ito yung mga pagod. Nagpahinga dahil lakad ng lakad. Ano, naka-rest ka na, Marcos? What do you wanna do?
I want to go.
You want to go home?
Namba.
Namba. O, Namba, 500 meter walk na lang.
I want to go home too.
This way.
Bakit mabilis yung 500 meters sa call?
Kasi may gulong siya.
500 is a lot.
Yeah, for walking, it's quite, di naman super long, pero
For
mga 8-minute walk. Are you ready?
Okay, ready?
Hoodies up!
why?
Kasi umaambon na. Stay away from the road, Marcus.
Where are you? Who wanted to eat here?
Yes, nandito na naman kami sa Ichiran dahil kay Marcus.
Pinagpilitan talaga niya.
Pinagpilitan niya na isang oras kaming pumila. Mas mahaba yung pila dito compared dun sa Nagoya last time. Ang haba talaga. Kasi tingnan mo yung ano, papakita ko yung haba. Ito yung...
Sobra niya nagustuhan yung ramen niya na dito. Kaya pinagpilitan talaga niya. Kumari pa siya.
Ganda nung light.
Tinan mo to. Tinan mo to.
Wow!
And look, can I see your face? Can I see? Wow.
Wow.
Here we go again. Ichiran. Yes. Sobrang nagustuhan ka ni Kuset.
Why can't I
This is how you eat ramen.
We need to bite the ramen. We need to bite the noodles. But soup, we need to sip.
And fork.
Because soup is just water, right? Soup is just water, right?
Yeah. How does it taste?
Good.
Is it your favorite?
Ichiran is good.
Is
And
it
it's
your...
the best ramen.
Oh, it's the best ramen for you. You want to go back here for Ichiran? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we have an Ichiran pack.
Ah, Ichiran pack, the one that we can cook at home.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato, did you have fun? Are you happy?
Arigato.
Okay, arigato. Okay.
Last day in Osaka. Dito kami sa Rinku Town. 9 p.m. pa yung flight namin. And ngayon, 11:30 pa lang. So, may oras pa, 'di ba? No need na ma-stress. At malamig. Malamig ngayon. Malamig na steady lang.
Yan sa afternoon ba?
Gabi, ang 9 p.m. Ano yan, Uncle Roger? Hiya! Uncle Roger shirt.
Yung ano, yung Daddy 3 p.m.
Hapon. Oh, ano, ready na kayo?
a.m.
Umaga yan. Ngayon, nahanap kami ng coin locker kasi tinan mo naman tong dala namin. Actually, dala ko. Yan, 1,
Bakit alis tayo ng
2, backpack, sling bag.
No sleep until
700 meters from this place yung pupuntahan namin. So, medyo malayo-layo siyang lakad. Kaya,
Dad.
hanap kami ng ano,
Daddy katatu.
coin locker.
This is Rinku Premium Outlet. Yun.
Tapos na kami dito sa Rinku Premium Outlet.
Cafe.
Inaantay na lang namin yung train papuntang Kansai Airport. Okay.
You're heavy.
You're heavy. Ikaw nga nakapatong sa
No,
akin.
you're heavy.
Ayan na yata.
Going home.